Ever found yourself wanting to share that hilarious video with a friend, but baffled by how to get it from your Android to theirs? Let's dive into the best ways to transfer videos from one Android device to another, making sharing those precious moments a breeze. Method 1. Cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive are your best friends here. First, open your file manager on the sending phone and locate the video you want to share. Tap the share icon from the list of apps, select your chosen cloud storage service, like Google Drive. Your video will now upload to your cloud account. Once it's uploaded, you can then open the cloud service app on your friend's Android phone. They can then find the video in your shared folder or download it directly to their device. Easy peasy. Method 2. Dedicated file sharing apps. These apps are built for speed and efficiency. Download a popular file sharing app on both your Android phone and your friend's phone. On the sending phone, open the app and tap the send option. You'll then select the video file you wish to share. The app will then typically scan for nearby devices. Once your friend's phone is detected, select it. On your friend's phone, they'll need to accept the incoming file. The app will then transfer the video directly between devices, often at lightning-fast speeds. No internet connection required for the transfer itself. Method 3. Direct connection. Wi-Fi direct or Bluetooth. While often slower for large video files, this is a great option for smaller clips if you don't want to use an app. On both phones, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings and look for an option like Wi-Fi Direct or a similar direct connection feature. Enable it on both devices. Alternatively, if using BLUETOOTH, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both phones and initiate a pairing process. Then, go back to your file manager on the sending phone, select the video, tap share, and choose the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct option. Your friend will receive a prompt to accept the file transfer. Once accepted, the video will be shared directly. So there you have it, multiple convenient ways to get your videos from one Android to another, keeping you connected and your memories shared.